Okay, so here we are in the blizzard of 2014. The water is now peaking up on the street. It's almost more than halfway up the street here. This is the house. This one's completely underwater. If you look over here, here's my driveway. And you can see the trash bags I have floating around. This is where the water's coming. It's going through the front steps. You can walk around the other side of the house, where a snowbank has kept the water at bay. You see this big snowbank here? This snowbank, I don't know if it's going to give out, but here we are in the back of the house. It's my back porch, my cycle bin, my shed, my chimenea. Water is just coming. It's still coming. These guys are all in the water behind me. So right here, I'm pretty good. I come over here, Shanahan's house. The whole backyard is flooded. You can't even see where he has his chimenea. The shed is taking on water bad. Wow. And this is still coming in. We're almost at the peak. Another 5 minutes will be noon. The news was saying it's 12 o'clock as the high tide. I'm not sure exactly how that is. I'm walking over to the neighbor's yard here. I'm in their driveway. You can see that these houses here, this person's shed is completely underwater.